Okay guys, I got a Digit 198T that had what I thought was a bad transmission. Ended up not being that. But anyways, so I started looking around for a transmission and I called Maverick and they don't have any. I called another place, they don't have any. I called the company KYB who made it. Here's the old one right here, KYB who made it. They haven't made them in like 10 years, so thought I was screwed. Then I happened to be on eBay and I found an Onan transmission. And I'm gonna, hopefully I can get a picture of the tag for you guys, but it's the same exact transmission. It was pretty much a copy from what I could see, even though there's some patent numbers on it, but it's the same exact transmission. The only difference is the control arm on the Digit pump is on the right hand side, as you can see. When I got this one, the control arm is on the left hand side. These Onan pumps are from a John Deere 420. They're the older style pumps, but the control arm is on the left hand side. So all you gotta do, hopefully you could buy one off of eBay. They're like 250 bucks. Take it apart. There's like 5 bolts and the whole thing comes apart. You use a pin and a nice good size ball peen hammer and you bang out the split pins that they have that lock the mechanism that makes the transmission go forward and reverse. Move the control pin from one side to the other and you'll have the exact same transmission. Pop it back together, put some goop on the O-ring, the main O-ring that does the whole length of the inside of the pump, and pop her in. It just drops right in. It comes, the John Deere comes with a gear on it. The gear is just held on with a C-clip. Take the gear off and it's the exact same spline and everything. So I wanted to let you guys know. I'll throw some pictures in if I can, but I ended up with a brand new pump. Luckily this one, when I took it apart, it was like brand new inside. So I lucked out. But for 250 bucks, you can't go wrong. I'm also gonna let the guys at Maverick know this, that they can get these pumps and have them rebuilt and be able to supply a brand new pump to everybody out there. But John Deere 420, exact same pump, just move the control arm from left to right.